Hello guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips and we will be checking this out right here in this video. In case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and of course if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section. I will be there to reply, or probably you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply. So these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay guys, this is GainX 1200, just the way I have predicted in the morning. I said this is going to get to this region and may likely go back up, and that is what is happening right now. So this is the entry point and this is the stop loss, and right here TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved. Okay, once it breaks out from here, we expect it to get to TP4, TP5. Okay, and if possible it should get to TP6. Okay, so this is so amazing. So this is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This had been on a very strong uptrend right from here, and it has been buying and buying and buying. It has gotten to this resistance and it has not broken out from there. However, I still expect it to buy more. Okay, and of course I'm going to go to higher time frame to check this out, so we can see we still have it getting, it's most likely for it to get to this region before we have a major pullback or turnaround in the trend. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The only reason why it will not buy more if it is unable to break out from here, so that is when it will not buy. But for now I still believe it should buy. Okay, the next asset, it's going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. This actually bought from this support region till it got to this region. I remember we milked this also, and right from there it came down and it has gotten to this support zone, and you can see it got there at this point and it respected it. So it should be respected right here, and it is switching already. So this is going to be more buying opportunity than selling opportunity, and of course we expect it to get to this port. Okay, and of course you can also have some highlighted sections in between. Okay, so that you can take your first set of profits first before it gets to the other spots. Okay, so this is very, very important. So that should be the first TP, and of course second TP, then we can leave this as the third TP, or probably we can have the four and make it four TPs highlighted. Okay, so let's have this first before getting to this. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The only reason why it will not buy is if it breaks out below this support zone. Okay, so you should take note of that. Let me quickly change. Okay, you can use this as your stop loss. Let me just help with that so that it will be very easy for you to set from your side. And of course it has started already, so I believe you are already on if you are having this trading too. So let's move on to Paynex 1000, Paynex 999 rather. So now to Paynex 999, this actually bought till it got to this region, tried to go back down like I have predicted in the morning. I said if it should break out from here it's going to sell more, but if it does not it will go back up. As you can see, it's unable to break out from there, so it's going back up right now. If it should break out from this region, guys, from this region, then definitely it should achieve this stage, this TP. Okay, so it should get to this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from there. Now let's look at FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on downtrend. It tried to go back on uptrend from here, got to this region, was unable to go more than this, and it switched back into a downtrend and still selling right now. If it should break out below this support region, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on an uptrend right from there, but for now it is still selling, so we should take note of that. So this is going to be more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.